So think hook with my toes, flex with my ankles, lead with my heels, stick my tailbone down, and start to press this bar up. Keep squeezing with my toes, keep shifting my eyes right to the left to straighten my legs and make sure that my legs are right, that bar is right in line with those hooking eyes. Pause and hold. Go ahead and bend my knees, squeeze my pinky toes and my big toes, pushing with my bunion joint and squeezing my metatarsal tight so that I could see those knuckles, squeezing my feet so I could see those knuckles. Now, last time it came down right side, left side, and I want to pull it down right side and left side at the same time. Yeah, and then drag the bar. Can you see the knuckle on the big toe? Really trying to work. Pull the feet apart as you pull the bar down. My tailbone is flat to the floor, and it's a huge stretch right there. See, squeeze the bar with your toes and push your ankles up.